Hello, how are you? I hope all of you are okay. Today we are going to talk about magnetic poles. Magnetic poles, lesson 5.2, page 86 from your learner book. I hope you will understand the lesson today and enjoy it and enjoy the videos that I have put for you. But as a summary, I want to tell you we have two poles for a magnet, North Pole and a South Pole. The lesson is page 86 and 87. Look while you are watching the video. Thank you and goodbye. God bless you all. First of all, I want to tell you sorry because the lesson is 5.8. When I recorded the video, I noticed that it's 5.8 and I said by mistake it's 5.2. Sorry again. So the lesson is 5.8, magnetic poles, page 86. Magnetic poles, أقطاب المغناطيس. Magnets have magnetic poles called the North Pole and the South Pole. جميع المغانط في عندها أقطاب المغناطيس. القطب الشمالي North Pole and the South Pole القطب الجنوبي. ودايما N, you notice on the magnet letter N, it's for north, and letter S is for south. For example, on your bar magnets, now you see in the following pictures, the red end, اللون الأحمر, is the North Pole. يرمز للقطب الشمالي. هيك متعارف عليه. And the blue end, القطب النهاية الأزرق, is the South Pole, القطب الشمالي. Look, here is the South Pole. Here is the North Pole. This is blue and this is red. Watch this video and enjoy and try to understand.
Poles of a magnet. The following activity shows how magnets get attracted. Randomly place some iron filings on a table. Now take a magnet and place it on the table for some time. Then remove the magnet and observe where the filings are attached. You can see that all the filings are attached at the two ends of the bar magnet. Now remove the iron filings from the magnet and repeat the process. Again, the iron filings are only attached at the ends of the magnet. These two ends of the magnet are called the poles of the magnet. They are the points of the magnet where all the iron particles get attracted. These points are generally present at the ends of a magnet.
Okay, let us now continue.
You must have seen a variety of magnets around here. A bar magnet and a horseshoe magnet.
Okay. Now, magnet attraction. Magnet attraction. التجاذب بالمغناطيس. Unlike poles, pull toward each other. Unlike poles, pull toward each other. يعني الأقطاب المختلفة. Unlike غير متشابهة يعني مختلفة. Pull toward each other تنجذب نحو بعضها البعض. We call this attraction. هذا بنسميه التجاذب. Repeat after me. التجاذب. التجاذب. شو يعني تجاذب؟ They pull toward each other. أي أنها تقترب من بعضها البعض. Attraction. Look here. It's South Pole. This is North Pole. So these poles are unlike poles. Unlike poles pull towards each other. We call this attraction. التجاذب. Attraction. Repeat after me. Attraction. التجاذب. Repulsion. 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 التنافر. What do we mean by repulsion? Look at these poles of magnets. This is North Pole and this is North Pole. These have the same poles. These are like poles. These magnets push away. What do we mean by push away? بيبتعدوا عن بعض. From each other. Push away from each other. بيبتعدوا عن بعضهم البعض. We call this repulsion. التنافر. Repulsion. التنافر. This is a photo that shows attraction and repulsion. Attraction, another time. Say it in English and in Arabic. Attraction. تجاذب. Repulsion. تنافر. These poles are unlike. مختلفين. So they attract to each other. Repulsion. Repulsion. تنافر. Look, these poles are like south, south, or north, north. These will make repulsion. They repel from each other. Activity 5.8, page 87. This activity is so that to identify the poles on the horseshoe magnet عشان تميز الأقطاب بالمغناطيس الهورشو اللي بيشبه حذبة الفرس. But we must remember always that like poles push away from each other, they repel each other. بيتنافروا عن بعض. بيبتعدوا عن بعض. For this activity, you need a horseshoe magnet and a bar magnet. Try to do it. This is in page 87. If you have these magnets, try to do this activity. If not, you can read it and understand it. It's very easy. Conclusion. الاستنتاج. What can you conclude from this lesson 5.8? Magnets have a north and a south pole. المغانط إلها قطبين. القطب الشمالي والجنوبي. Unlike poles attract. Unlike. إيش قلنا يعني unlike? Unlike. مختلفة. مختلفة. Attract. تتجاذب. Like poles. Like poles. متشابهة. Repel each other. بتنافروا. بيبتعدوا عن بعضهم البعض. Attraction and repulsion are magnetic forces. هدول التنافر والتجاذب هو من القوى المغناطيسية. You can read after me the conclusion. Number 1. Magnets have a north and a south pole. 2. Unlike poles attract. 3. Like poles repel each other. 4. Attraction and repulsion are magnetic forces. I want you again to watch this video and enjoy the lesson.
Good grammar and spelling are important, but if you want to write essays that inspire, messages that forge brighter... Our friendly bar magnet, Barry, has 2 poles. He has a north pole and a south pole. He knows he can attract objects made of iron. But now he wonders if he can attract his fellow magnets. Why don't we join him as he seeks answers to his question? While Barry was walking, he saw another bar magnet on the way. He was excited to see if the bar magnet was attracted to him. As he got nearer and nearer, the bar magnet slowly got nearer to him as well.
Look carefully.
Until the bar magnet's south pole was attracted to Barry's north pole. Barry was happy. Not only are magnetic objects attracted to him, his fellow magnets are too. He kept walking. He saw a cylindrical magnet. But this time,
هذا
as Barry
الصواني.
got nearer, the cylindrical magnet moved away from him.
تشبه
He kept
الأسطوانة.
getting nearer, and the magnet moved away. Why is the bar magnet attracted to Barry? Why isn't the cylindrical magnet attracted to him?
Remember what we said before.
When Barry's north pole came near the bar magnet's south pole, the magnets were attracted to each other.
جاذبوا.
But when Barry's north pole got close to the north pole of the cylindrical magnet, they repelled each other.
اتنافروا.
For magnets, when 2 unlike poles, the North Pole and the South, come together, they attract. On the other hand, when 2 like poles, the North Pole and the North Pole, or the South Pole and the South Pole come together, they repel. So what should Barry do to attract the cylindrical magnet? He should move to the other end of the cylindrical magnet. Gotcha! Now Barry knows how to attract other magnets. Our friend...
Thank you, dear 4th grade, for listening and watching the video. Goodbye. God bless you all and your families. Wishing that I will see you soon. Bye bye.